Hi, I'm James Grace, founder and CEO of Wizely. Did you know that car dealers in this country are wasting almost $1 billion a year in ineffective digital ad spend? For a 5-store group, that accounts for almost $250,000 a year. And although most people aren't surprised to hear these numbers, they're also not entirely sure what to do about them. In this session at the 2019 Digital Dealer Conference, I'll show you in detail how to use Google's existing tools to identify exactly where the waste is and how to eliminate it. Google's powerful e-commerce capability is usually only reserved for businesses that do all their transacting online. But in this session, I'll show you how to unlock that capability for your dealership, so you can start evaluating your spend against cars sold and dollars generated, rather than just looking at clicks, bounces, and campaign level spend metrics. I'll also take you through a case study with a 23-store dealer group that used these techniques to identify the fact that they were wasting spend on more than 1,000 keywords a month that were linked to 0 sales and $0 of revenue generated. It was more than $40,000 a month in wasted spend. I'm really excited about these techniques and the value that they're bringing to dealers all over the country, and I'm really excited to share them with you at this year's Digital Dealer Conference. So excited to see you. See you soon.